You have come even to a more dangerous person than none-in. Because empty cup won't do. The cup has to be broken completely. Even empty, if you are there, then you are full. Even emptiness fills you. If you feel that you are empty, you are not empty at all. You are there. Only the name has changed. Now you call yourself emptiness. The cup won't do at all. It has to be broken completely. Only when you are not, the tea can be poured into you. Only when you are not, there is no need really to pour the tea into you. When you are not, the whole existence begins pouring. The whole existence becomes a sound from every dimension in every direction. When you are not, the divine is. The story is beautiful. It is bound to happen to a professor of philosophy. The story says a professor of philosophy came to none-in. He must have come for wrong reasons. Because a professor of philosophy, as such, is always wrong. Philosophy means intellect, reasoning, thinking, argumentativeness. And this is the way to be wrong. Because you cannot be in love with existence if you are argumentative. Argument is the barrier. If you argue, you are closed. The whole existence closes to you. Then you are not open and the existence is not open to you. When you argue, you assert. Assertion is violence, aggression. And the truth cannot be known by aggressive minds. The truth cannot be discovered by violence. You can come to know the truth only when you are in love. But love never argues. There is no argument in love because there is no aggression. And remember, that man was not only a professor of philosophy, you are also the same. Every man carries his own philosophy. And every man in his own way is a professor because you profess your ideas. You believe in them. You have opinions, concepts. And because of opinions and concepts, your eyes are dull. They cannot see. Your mind is stupid. It cannot know. Ideas create stupidity. Because more the ideas are there, the more mind is burdened. And how a burdened mind can know? More the ideas are there, it is just like dust. which has gathered on a mirror. How the mirror can mirror, how the mirror can reflect. Your intelligence is just covered by opinions, the dust. And everyone who is opinionated is bound to be stupid and dull. That's why professors of philosophy are almost always stupid. They know too much to know at all. They are too much burdened. They cannot fly in the sky. They can't have wings. And they are so much in the mind. They can't have roots in the earth. They are not grounded in the earth. And they are not free to fly into the sky. And remember, you all are the same. There may be differences of quantity, but every mind is qualitatively the same, because mind thinks, argues, collects and gathers knowledge and becomes dull. Only children are intelligent. And if you can retain your childhood continuously, if you reclaim your childhood, you will remain innocent and intelligent. If you gather dust, childhood is lost. Innocence is no more. The mind has become dull and stupid. Now you can have philosophy. More philosophy you have, more you are far away from the divine. A religious mind is a non-philosophical mind. A religious mind is an innocent, intelligent mind. The mirror is clear. The dust has not been gathered, and every day a continuous cleansing goes on. That's what I call meditation. This professor of philosophy came to Nanin. He must have come for wrong reasons. He must have come to receive some answers. Those people who are filled with questions are always in search of answers. And Nanin cannot give an answer. It is foolish to be concerned with questions and answers. Nanin can give you a new mind. Nanin can give you a new being. Nanin can give you a new existence in which no questions arise. But Nanin is not interested to answer any particular question. He is not interested in giving you answers. Neither am I. You must have come with many questions. Bound to be so. Because mind gives birth to questions. Mind is a question creating mechanism. Feed anything into it, out come a question, and many questions follow. Give an answer to it, immediately it converts it into many questions. You are here filled with many questions. Your cup is already full. No need for Nanin to pour any tea into it. You are already overflowing. I can give you a new existence. That's why I have invited you here. I will not give you any answers. All questions, all answers are useless, just a wastage of energy. But I can transform you, and that is the only answer. And that one answer solves all questions. Philosophy has many questions, many answers, millions. Religion has only one answer. Whatsoever the question, the answer remains the same. Buddha used to say, you test sea water from anywhere. The taste remains the same, the saltiness of it. Whatsoever you ask is really irrelevant. I will answer the same because I have got only one answer. But that one answer is like a master key. It opens all doors. It is not concerned with any particular lock. Any lock, and the key opens it. Religion has only one answer, and that answer is meditation. And meditation means how to empty yourself. The professor must have been tired walking long when he reached to Nanin's cottage. And Nanin said, wait a little. He must have been in a hurry. Mind is always in a hurry. And mind is always in search of instantaneous realizations. To wait for mind is very difficult, almost impossible. Nanin said, I will prepare tea for you. You look tired. Wait a little, rest a little, and have a cup of tea. And then we can discuss. And Nanin boiled the waters, started preparing the tea. But he must have been watching the professor. Not only the water was boiling, the professor was also boiling with him. Not only the tea kettle was making sounds, the professor was making more sounds with it, chattering, continuously talking. The professor must be getting ready what to ask, how to ask, from where to begin. He must have been in a deep monologue. Nanin must have been smiling and watching. This man is too full. So much so that nothing can penetrate into him. The answer cannot be given because there is no one to receive it. The guest cannot enter into the house. There is no room. Nanin must have wanted to become a guest in this professor. Out of compassion, a Buddha always wants to become a guest within you. He knocks from everywhere, but there is no door. And even if he breaks a door, which is very difficult, there is no room. You are so full with yourself and with rubbish and all types of furniture you have gathered in many, many lives. Even you cannot enter into yourself because there is no room, no space. You live just outside of your own being, just on the steps. You cannot enter within yourself. Everything is blocked. And then Nanin poured tea into the cup, and the professor began to be uneasy because he was continuously pouring the tea. It was overflowing. Soon it will be going out on the floor. Then the professor said, "Stop, what are you doing?" Now this cup cannot hold any more tea, not even a single drop. So are you mad? What are you doing? And Nanin said, the same is the case with you. You are so alert to observe and become aware that the cup is full and cannot hold any more. Why are not you so aware about your own self? You are overflowing with opinions, philosophies, doctrines, scriptures. You know already too much. I cannot give you anything. You have traveled in vain. Before coming to me, you must have emptied your cup. Then I can pour something into it. But I tell you, you have come to be a more dangerous person. No, empty cup I won't allow. Because if the cup is there, you will fill it. You are so addicted and you have become so habituated that you cannot allow the cup empty even for a single moment. The moment you see emptiness anywhere, you start filling it. You are so scared of emptiness. You are so afraid. Emptiness appears like death. You will fill it by anything, but you will fill it. No, I have invited you to be here to break down this cup completely. So even if you want, you cannot fill. Emptiness means there is no cup left. All the walls have disappeared. The bottom has fallen down. You have become an abyss. And then I can pour myself onto you. Much is possible if you allow. But to allow is arduous. Because to allow, you will have to surrender. Emptiness means surrender. Nanin was saying to that professor that bow down, surrender, empty your head. I am ready to pour. And that professor has not even asked the question. And Nanin has given the answer.